Okay guys, welcome back to Real Life Exotic, and today we have something interesting. Let me show you. There it is. No, looks sick, dude. I like it. They know what is this for, and they put in headlamp.
Oh, this is perfect.
Make sure they're not gonna put it on the airbag sensor. Side marker light, parking sensor, right? Yeah, they put in everything, man. Morning guys, welcome back to Real Life Exotic, and today we're working with Ferrari 488 2017. We got this car from my buddy Oleg, and he bought this one from private seller, I think, and he put in Mansory kit on this car. I mean, they tried to put it in, they just painted and they just not completely installed it. The shop, something happened with the shop. And they didn't finish the car, and car completely take apart the dashboard, the seats, I mean, you can see everything. It's
Assembled.
Yeah, everything is disassembled. Yeah, the engine, they take it off the engine. I don't know why, but they just put it back. And they just put it back on a couple bolts, and it's everything hanging out, like all harness hanging out.
Everything's disconnected.
Yeah. What is this? Transmission, exhaust missing. There. Oh no, cats is here, but it's some sport cats, or it's downpipe. What is this?
Probably some sport cats, because downpipe doesn't have.
Yeah, and looks like somebody put in new suspension here, because this one is doesn't look like used, you know, and new springs, Novitec springs. Yeah, this is aftermarket. So we have to, me and Vic gonna work with the car, put it back together. They just put it in everything, like just to show they working on the car, but they actually didn't. Did you see the all radiators, coolers, intercooler, yeah, missing. So, and I show you underneath. Look at this. Oh, it's everything hanging out here, like all pipes and the zip tied. Oh my goodness, so much work here, you know, like brake lines just hanging out, but engine looks pretty clean. Looks like this car has low miles. Car, I like it. This guy, he repainted completely whole car. He repainted red, metallic, something, pearl metallic. and the front also empty, you know, under the trunk everything looks empty. So we have to work, we have to put in a lot of hours to this car, a lot. What is this? Or they try to install the bumper and they scratch the fender, but I don't think so. You can see here, we can touch up. And I see some more scratches somewhere. This side, no, other side, yeah, over here and over here. Okay, it's I mean, it's nothing, you know. So we don't know how to start, even
Where to start?
We came like when we received the car, and they start bringing me boxes, you know. Look at how many boxes. This is bumper, empty bumper. Look, this all parts, pretty much all parts is going on this car. Those seats, he put in like new leather, new stripes and stuff, you know. So now we have to figure out everything, and we have to make this car like factory, like came out from the factory.
We are the factory.
Yeah, we are actually, we are the factory. Okay, Vic, let's start from the back, I
we
think.
signed it, man. You know, after we finish,
No,
we gotta make some signatures. So there it is.
Guys, we're going through all these parts and we try to figure out, yeah, which part is going for this car, which car is going for other car, because we find some headlight, some bad stuff, you know, some parts, broken parts, headlights broken, you know, cracking.
Guys, today I'm putting back the 488 back together. So I'm gonna be starting from the bottom and working to the top. As you can see in the bottom, all the lines, everything's disconnected. Everything's off, no intercoolers, nothing. And we're gonna be working through, starting from the bottom and working to here till we get to the engine itself. All the wires, everything, all the hoses, everything that's not connected. A lot of work. Plus to that, go here. A lot of things missing. A lot of bolts missing, and it's bad because I was not the one who took it apart. I don't know the backstory of this car. They brought it to us and we had to work on it and put everything back together. So let's get it started. install this exhaust right now to it. I think it's a straight pipe, so it has down pipes in the back end. It's called RYFT. Okay, let's get it going. The right side, start with the left. You can see no cats, nothing, it's like straight. This car's gonna be loud, very loud. You guys gonna love it. Okay guys, back to the 488. We have a big progress report. Come here, bro. Check it out. So everything over here, that was everything out of place. We put everything back together. We're missing a couple small things because we ordered new. And over here, as you can see, a lot of carbon fiber parts. So everything's back in place, and we will be starting the car in the next video, I think. New exhaust, titanium, I believe.
Okay guys, we pretty much done with the car. Like I can say it's like 80% done. Like I have to work under the trunk. Like it's nothing there, you know, like just the trunk box and some small stuff. And I have to adjust the lines, make gaps, you know, perfect gaps. And this is, like I said, this is Mansory kit, original Mansory kit, all carbon fiber, all pieces is carbon fiber. Interior is take apart because we're gonna install it like everything is gonna be sway, and everything is gonna be carbon fiber, you know, like every pieces. So that's why everything in the boxes, that's why we have so much mess here. But it's temporary, you know, like it's temporary. You know, every piece is carbon. So we already put it together. Like mostly the company, I don't know why they take it off the engine from the car. We don't know why. Maybe because they repainted the car. They repainted completely. They take apart and completely repaint it on a different color. This is not original paint. So here we install it everything brand new and everything carbon fiber. Like looks sick, you know. And the trunk also Mansory, and you can see the glass. It's like Lambo style. You know, you can see through the glass. You can see the engine, you know, looks pretty clean. I like it, you know. Back, we just installed the exhaust, and it's titanium, super light, you know, super light. And in the back, we're waiting for the tip, exhaust tip. It's gonna be carbon fiber exhaust tip. It's pretty expensive because they are carbon fiber. And I have to adjust the aerodynamic system. I have to install it and adjust it. And the mesh grill, I have to replace it. So, and then we're gonna install it rear bumper and small pieces. And tomorrow I'm gonna work with interior. I'm gonna put it together. The interior is gonna take forever because they take apart completely, and piece by piece they take it off. Even the buttons they take it off. You know, I have to put it together. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.